Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're excited to showcase the best new version 30 clean lens for the iPhone 13 Pro and Pro Max. If you're someone who cherishes the quality of their smartphone camera, you won't want to miss this. This is the UniqueMe 3-pack camera lens protector, designed specifically for the iPhone 13 Pro and iPhone 13 Pro Max. This set features high-quality tempered glass that promises to keep your camera lenses pristine while maintaining the brilliance of your photos. With a price point of just $14.99, it's an affordable investment for safeguarding your device. Let's talk about what makes this lens protector stand out. First off, it offers full coverage protection. Unlike other protectors that only cover parts of your lens, the UniqueMe protector is designed to cover 100% of your camera's surface area. This means that even if you accidentally bump your phone, your camera is shielded from scratches and other potential damage. Installation is a breeze thanks to the innovative automatic adsorption technology. You simply align the protector over your lens, press it down for about 5 seconds, and voila! It's that simple, no bubbles, no hassle. Anyone can do it, turning an intimidating task into a straightforward one. One of the best features of the UniqueMe lens protector is its remarkable clarity. With a light transmittance of 99.99%, it ensures that your photos maintain their natural colors and sharpness. You won't have to worry about losing image quality or affecting your flash when capturing those precious moments. Let's not forget about maintenance. The scratch-resistant coating is a game-changer, allowing you to wipe away dirt and fingerprints effortlessly, keeping your camera clean and ready for action at all times. And for those of you who use phone cases, this lens protector is designed to be case-friendly. It won't interfere with most phone cases, ensuring a snug fit without compromising protection. In conclusion, if you're looking to preserve the quality of your iPhone 13 Pro or Pro Max camera, the UniqueMe camera lens protector is a smart investment. It combines ease of installation, full coverage, and crystal clear clarity to ensure your phone remains in top-notch condition while delivering stunning photos. For just $14.99, it's a small price to pay for peace of mind. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more gadget reviews. Stay tuned for our next episode, where we'll be exploring more innovative products designed to enhance your everyday tech experience. Until next time, keep critiquing.